Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start web development with Sam's Club easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Sam's Club website. Once on the home page, scroll down to find the business section. Click on Business Services to access web development tools available for members. If you are not logged in, sign in to your Sam's Club account or create a new one. After logging in, navigate to the Web Developments. Here, you'll find various tools and resources tailored for web development. Take a moment to explore the different options available, including website builders and hosting services. Choose a website builder that fits your needs, such as e-commerce or portfolio sites. Click on the selected website builder to start the setup process. Follow the prompts to choose a template that resonates with your brand or idea. You'll then be directed to a customization page. Use the drag and drop features to add elements like text, images, and videos. Adjust colors and fonts to align with your branding preferences. When you're satisfied with the design, preview your website to see how it looks. Make any necessary adjustments before moving on to the next step. Once everything is finalized, locate the Publish button on the top right corner. Click Publish to make your website live for the public to see. Take note of your website's URL for future reference. Lastly, consider setting up analytics to track your website's performance. Congratulations, you have just started your web development journey with Sam's Club. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.